let's start with the divisibility test of 2. I'm just revising divisibility test of 2. What does that mean? The numbers which are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Any number which is ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are the numbers which are divisible by 2. Okay, these are the numbers which are divisible by 2. Any numbers which are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, all the numbers are divisible by 8. Suppose I am taking the number 3422. So 3422, this number is ending with 2. So this number will be divisible by 2 and the remainder will come 0. Okay, if I'll take the number 3333, so the number is ending with 3, so this number will not be divisible by 2. Clear? If I'll take 4,32,398, so this number is ending with 8, so this number will be divisible by 2. This is a divisibility test of 2. If anybody is having confusion regarding divisibility test of 2, please raise your hand. Yes, Prapti. If you're having any confusion, you can ask Prapti. You have raised your hand.
No, ma'am, वो first time किया था, so I forgot to lower hand.
Okay, fine. Now let's move to the divisibility test of 3. Divisibility test of 3. In this, we have to add up all the digits. If I'll take them, suppose I'm taking the number 912. So how will I test this? 9 plus 1 plus 2. I have to add all the numbers. Please understand this divisibility test carefully as it will help you in each and every question moving further in the exercises. Okay, so I have to add up all the digits, sum up all the digits. So I'll get 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3. So this 912 will get divisible by 3 also, and you will get the remainder as 0. Okay, you can take any other example also. Suppose 343. Please add up all the digits. 343. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 is divisible by 3?
No.
No.
No, ma'am.
343 will not divisible by 3. When you divide this number, you will always get the remainder. So divisibility means when you are getting the remainder as 0. That means divisibility test. Okay?
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
move to the next divisibility test. Divisible by 4. Divisibility test of 4. Can anybody tell me about the divisibility test of 4? Please raise your hand. Divisibility test of 4. Who knows divisibility test of 4? Okay, I'm explaining you divisibility test of 4. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digits is ones and tens is divisible by 4. That means you have to check the last 2 digits. Okay, last 2 digits. Suppose I am taking the number 3, 5, 6, 7. 3, 5, 6, 7. I have taken this number. The last 2 digits. We have to see the last 2 digits. Last 2 digits are 67. Last 2 digits. Last digits are 67. So 67 is divisible by 4 or not. You have to check that. Okay. So divide 67 with 4. You have to divide it. 67 divided by 4. You have to divide it. Come on, everybody, divide this number. Divide it and tell me what will be the answer. 67 divided by 4.
Not divisible.
Hmm? How much you are getting? Yes, Tashvi? How much you are getting?
And 3.
Hmm? How much?
And we get 3.
So divide 76 by
Yes, ma'am.
4. Yes.
Ma'am,
How
it
much you are
was
getting?
divisible by 4.
How much you are
And
getting?
the remainder is coming 0. Ma'am,
Yes, remainder is
remainder
coming
is
0.
0 and question
What
is
is quotient?
19.
Yes, quotient is 19.
Question
So 19, you are getting the quotient in 9 is 19 and remainder as 0. So this number will be divisible
0.
by 4.
Divisible by 4.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm talking about divisibility of 5. Divisibility test of 5 in this last digit will be of, it means your ones digit. Ones
5
test
and 0.
0
And
and 5.
5.
Yes, your last digit will be either 0 or 5. If I'll take the number 675, so its last digit is 5. So this number will
5.
be divisible by
Divisible
5.
5.
And you will get the remainder as 0.
0.
If I'll take the number as 4320. Yes, Arnav?
Now I have an query.
Yes, beta. Ask your query.
Ma'am did not come learning objects of the chapter.
I have already sent very earlier, beta. I think you haven't checked your
Yes,
group.
ma'am.
You haven't checked your group. Please
Ma'am,
check
मैंने
your
check
group
किया।
once more. Please check your group once more. You will be getting over there, okay? If it will not be there, just send me the message on my personal chat. I'll be sending you, okay? So divisibility of 5. That means your last digit will be either 0 or 5. If I'll take the example as 675. Here you can see the last digit is 5. So this number will be divisible by 675. When you divide this number with 5, you will always get the remainder as 0.
0.
If I'll take the number suppose as 4320. So its last digit is 0.
0. So it is divisible by 5.
Yes, this number will be divisible by 5. Very good. I think this divisibility test of 5 is clear with everybody. Any queries?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Let's start with divisibility of 6. Divisibility
Can I
of
tell out divisibility of 6?
anyone else except Prapti? Divisibility of 6. Open your cameras, everyone. Okay, Kashvi, you have raised your hand. Arav Bhaskar. Okay, Arav Bhaskar. Arav Bhaskar, divisibility of 6. Divisibility of 6. Arav Bhaskar. Aditya Raj.
And if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6 also.
Yes, very good. So if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, it will pass the divisibility test of 2 and 3, then that number will be
It is
divisible by
by 6.
6. Yes. So, yes.
Ma'am, I have joined from laptop because some issue with the phone. Can you please take me?
You're not audible properly, Kashvi. Please speak
Ma'am,
again.
am I audible?
Yes, yes. Speak again.
Ma'am, there's some problem with the phone. Can you please take me in? I am joining from laptop.
Okay, beta. So if the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then only it will be divisible by 6. You know the divisibility test of 2? That if the last number is
Yes,
0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then only it will be divisible by 2. If suppose I will take the number 5, 9, 2, 2. So its
Ma'am, it is
last,
divisible by
its
2.
last digit is 2. So it will be
So
divisible
it
by
is
2.
divisible.
So this number will be divisible by 2. That means it goes in the divisibility test of 2. Madhav, please listen to me carefully. Understand it carefully. And if I'll add all the digits, 5 plus 9 plus 2 plus 2. 5 plus 9, how much?
14.
14 plus 2?
16.
16 plus 2?
18.
18. So sum of the digits is 18. 18 is divisible by 3.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
3 6 are 18.
Oh, sorry. Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am, yes.
this number is passing both the divisibility test. That is the divisible of 2 as well as 3. So this number will be divisible by 6. Okay. If it is not divisible by with any of the number, अगर वो किसी की भी divisibility test clear नहीं कर पाता है, if any one, either 2 or 3, that number will not be divisible by 6. Clear? If it will not
Ma'am, suppose
pass,
2 का मैम 2 का पास हो गया and 3 का नहीं हुआ तो
so it will not be divisible. No, it will not be divisible by 6. If it is, it has passed the divisibility test of 6, 3 and not of 6, 2, then it will not will be the divisibility test of 6. Okay. Divisibility or test of 6 means a number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, both. Clear? Yes.
मैम अभी मैम वैभव ने क्लास से मैम हट गया है, मुझे एडमिट होना है क्लास के अंदर, तो मैम मुझे वो कॉल करके बोल रहा है.
When he will enter, I will add him soon. He is not entering in the class right now. Now listen to me carefully. Divisibility test of 7. Divisibility test of 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the last digits and the number formed by the other digits is either 0 or a multiple of 7. Let us understand with the help of an example. Suppose I'm taking the number 2975. Okay, I'm taking the number as 2975. In this, what we have to do, last digit is 5. Last digit is 5. So we will multiply it with 7. 297 will be subtracted and we'll do the twice of last digit. Okay. 297 minus 2 multiply 5. We'll multiply the last digit by 2. So we will get 287. 2 5s are 10. 297 minus 10, that is 287. And we have to check 287 is divided with 7. How much you will be getting? Will it be divisible or not? Please check it out. 287 divisible by 7. Everybody just check it out. 287 divided by 7.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, the
Arnab
question
Tomar,
is what?
please concentrate in the class.
Yes, ma'am. The question is 41 and the remainder is 0, so it was divisible by 7.
Yes. So what you have to do, you have to multiply the last digit with 2 and rest of the numbers will get subtracted. So the number which is formed, that is 287, and this 287 when we divide it with 7, so if you are getting the remainder as 0, then this number will be divisible by 7, otherwise not. This is the divisibility test of 7. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
How much you are getting the quotient? How much you are getting? 287 divided by 7.
Ma'am, 41.
41. So 41 is the quotient and you are getting the remainder as 0. So this number will be divisible by 7.
7.
Am I clear with the divisibility test of 7?
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
confusion? Any
No,
confusion?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Anyone?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Clear everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Let us move to the divisibility test of 8. Divisibility test of 8. What we have to do, a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digits is divisible by 8. आपको last की 3 digits check करनी है whether this number is divisible by 8 or not. 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose I am taking this number. So last 3 digits are last 3 digits. What are they? 456 is the last 3 digits. We have to
Yes,
check
ma'am.
456 is divisible by 8 or not. Check it out whether it is divisible by 8 or not. 456 divided by 8. Everyone, check it out. Ishpreet Singh, tell me the answer. 456 divided by 8.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, question is 57 and remainder is 0, so it was divisible by 8.
So the quotient you are getting as how much?
Ma'am, 57.
57.
Ma'am,
And the-
57.
And the remainder is 0. So this number 2,13,456 will be divisible by 8. This number will get divisible by 8. When you divide this number, you will always get the remainder as 0. Clear?
Ma'am, I have a query.
Yes.
मैम 8 से डिवाइड करते समय वो डिजिट सिर्फ 3 वर्ड्स की होगी मैम, तो क्या करेंगे?
So take the last 3 digits.
मैम वो नंबर सिर्फ 3 डिजिट का ही होगा.
Doesn't matters. Then so you have to divide now. If I'm talking about the larger numbers, small numbers, so you can easily divide. I'm talking about the large numbers. There is a problem with the large numbers always, all the time. Isn't it?